helicopter.
What do you want to do in a helicopter? Huh?
Cody, you want to go fly in a helicopter?
You want to go helicopter?
Yeah.
You want to go on an airplane too?
Yeah.
Well, that's your change.
Airplane.
You want to go on an airplane?
Go airplane. Dad.
You want to go on a helicopter too?
He wants to go on an airplane with Dad.
Mommy. Airplane.
You want to go on an airplane with Mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Well, ask Mommy.
Mommy.
What?
Go helicopter.
You want to go on a helicopter?
Yeah.
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 Go helicopter.
You want to go on a helicopter? You want to go on a helicopter with Mommy?
I want to go in a helicopter with you.
Go with you.
And go with you.
Go with you.
And go with you.
Buckle me.
Buckle you. You want me to buckle you in the helicopter?
You buckle on the helicopter.
Oh, yeah. I got to take you, Mommy, because I can't buckle myself. Got to take you to buckle me.
Good.
Right?
He's a funny one. Sure is a funny
What?
one.
Cody.
Gee. Yum. Wee.
I love you, Cody.
Say.
Cody.
Mommy.
What?
Helicopter.
Helicopter.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Helicopter.
You want to go on a helicopter? Yeah. Go on a helicopter really bad.
Mommy.
What?
Helicopter.
You want to go helicopter?
Go on a helicopter.
Oh my gosh, you're so cute.
Mommy, go helicopter.
Yeah, I know. You want to go helicopter. Very soon we'll go in a helicopter, okay? Get up.
Yeah.
Cody.
What?
Love you.
Lion.
Oh,
Mommy, what's that?
put it down.